Hi everyone, hope that you are well. So today I will present a lighting solution for a church. As you can see in front of you, we have a longitudinal section of a facade. So the main task was to realize the lighting for the main dome. So we have here a height of total height from the ground to the top of 34 meters, and only the dome itself from this point has a height of 17.4 meters. So that was a challenge to illuminate um, the paintings that we have on the walls, but also the paint which we have on the ceiling level. Of course, the target was around 150 lux and a uniformity of at least 0.6. And in addition, another topic and also interesting which I want to present is the illumination of the apps, which you can see in this corner. The height, it's around 4 meters, but it's, let's say, a half dome, so it will be very interesting for you to know which type of luminaire, which light distribution um, I, I I choose to install for this lighting concept. In addition, I hope that this information will help you if you ever have a chance to do a lighting concept for a church, but maybe can be also that you have this kind of shape, let's say a dome, that you need to have a very good uniformity, but also emphasize what, let's say, the paintings which you have on the walls and on the ceiling. So let's move on to the first picture. So you can see now the dome how it's looking from let's say from the ground level. Here is just a preview. You see that I use actually projectors um, with a CRI of 90 to have a very good rendering index, and also a warm light. So I choose a projector with a color temperature of 3000 Kelvin. On the next picture, you can see the focus on only on the dome, and having a height of almost 18 meters. I try to split it in half. So I use from the bottom of the dome like 8 luminaires. You can see here two installed, another two here, and another two here, and the same setup. So I divide the height, so I like 9 meters and 9 meters, and I use in totally 16 luminaires. And you see from the another 8 meters you have, you can see spotted here another two luminaires, here another two. Unfortunately you cannot see the other four, but the main concept or the main idea was to divide the height into, let's say, lighting section, because also if you just want from the bottom, you will need a lot of let's say more powerful, this means more bigger projectors, and yeah, it will be related to uniformity. It's quite difficult to illuminate 18 meters from this point, and use also as small lighting fixture as possible. Moving to the next picture, you can see here just the dome. Here we don't see the bottom luminaires, we just see the upper ones. So another 8 here. As I see, the point was also to also have a perfect, as close to the perfect luminance level, also on the ceiling, and a very good uniformity. And the main topic was to highlight all the details from the paintings. How I realize we made also a sketch. First, it was looking like this, in this way, to use like 8 luminaires, but I consider to use 2 luminaires on each point, as you see here. Instead of 1, I put 2, 2 here, 2 the other way around, and 2 here. So the other 4 actually, I took them out. So simplify also the wiring and also the setup of the luminaires. Moving on the, let's say, a different view. This is an upper view of the dome, and this is from longitudinal view. I try to orientate to split actually the light, because here it would be like almost, yeah, around 70 degrees. So it should be a projector with a very wide beam, which is quite difficult to find on such a small form factor, let's say, of the product. So then I split it the light in half by using, as you have seen in the pictures, 2 luminaires instead of 1 for each position. And here we move on to the apps illumination, which I showed in the beginning. So here again, it was highlight the ceiling, the painting to the ceiling. So it looks very good. I use the same product and same CRI of 90 and also a warm white of 3000 Kelvin. And here we have from the side a different view of the apps and how it's looking, let's say the final outcome. And moving on, also the drawing, we have a longitudinal view. Here was installed 1 luminaire. You see from each height it was installed, and here we have the top. So as I said, 4.15 meters, and this is the layout from a view from the top. So I installed 4 luminaires, which divided 1/3 of the space, and yeah, orientated. Here we have also color rendering. So you see how good is the uniformity. This is from the top, so you see only the last 8 meters of the dome. So very good uniformity, and also the lux level. You can have an idea of level of the illuminance being around 150 lux. And here, just to see better to have an idea, let's say, about the distribution of the lighting fixture and also the shape of the lighting distribution. Moving on to the lighting, let's say, outcome, the illuminance level. Here we have a 162, so higher than 150, so that's a good point. And also uniformity, it's very, very good, 0.81 and 7. So you have here the diameter of the dome. It's all 7 by 7. And yeah, this is how it looks. And finally, we reached I want to show you the product which I was using for this concept. So I would rate it as a very good product, very easy to work with, and yeah, I would say for this kind of applications, yeah, it did the job in a very good way. So if you like this video, please give a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I wish you a good day. Until the next time, bye bye.